In this video, we look at very simple self-healing techniques which you can apply for pain, injury or discomfort in any part of your own body. In this case, the techniques are demonstrated for problems related to the liver. Begin by first rubbing your two hands together vigorously to build up the electromagnetic energy field between your two hands. Then move your hands in and out towards each other so that you can begin to feel and sense the energy between your two hands. You may experience an even stronger sense of the energy between your two hands by imagining that this is a ball of energy and you can mold and shape it as you feel it between your two hands. Next, hold your two hands one on top of the other on the area of the liver. This is called the energized technique. Feel this ball of energy now encompassing your liver. Hold this position for 3 to 5 minutes. Next, draw your two hands across and away from the area of the liver as if you are removing cobwebs from all around this area. Then throw these imaginary cobwebs to one side outside of your own auric field. This is called the draw out technique. Repeat this draw out movement 10 times. Finally, balance the energy field of your liver by making crisscross movements over and back across the area using both hands. You can repeat the energize and draw out techniques as often as required. The purpose of these techniques is to help activate, facilitate and assist the body's own ability to heal itself. Left and right hands can be interchanged depending on your own choice.